On the 24th of August 2024, multiple police units were dispatched to an apartment complex in Southport, Queensland, following reports of a group fight inside one of the units. Two constables at the scene witnessed a man drop an electric scooter over the balcony railing of the complex. As they approached, the man, later identified as Tyrone Kuwaiti Sampson, 23 years old, seized an elderly woman and placed her in what was described as a rear chokehold.
Holly! Stay there!
Where is he?
Stay there! Stay there! Hey! Let her go! Let her go! Let her go! Let her go! Get on the ground!
Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Get on the ground!
Hands up! Move in!
I'll be
Do not
quiet.
reach for something in your pocket. Let your hand go.
Couple vibes. Oh, really? Calm down just for a cigarette.
I want to control him.
Cigarette.
Drug offense.
Cigarette.
So I want you to stay.
Cigarettes.
I want you to slightly tilt him.
Oh.
Push him against the fence.
Finally
so
know
he
it.
can breathe and come inside.
Oh.
Okay?
Bye-bye.
There you go. Done. Sorry.
My watch.
How does he?
GTA. Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, you really fucking laughing.
Come up. I'm doing it. There we go. There we go. There you go. Good. I got you, bro. I got you. There's some water in your head. There's water in your head. Good. Can you hear me, dude? Can you hear me, dude? What we're going to do, we're going to stand you up, okay? Can you help us? 1, 2, 3. Can we put some monitoring on?
Sampson was sedated by Queensland Ambulance Service officers and transported to Gold Coast University Hospital. Just 3 days later, while held at the Southport watchhouse, Sampson lashed out again, spitting on the police intercom and smashing a CCTV camera after officers declined his request to go into the yard. At the time of the offence, Sampson was on parole, granted only 13 days prior. He was also in breach of an active probation order imposed by the Southport Magistrates Court. In Southport Magistrates Court, Sampson pleaded guilty to serious assault of a person over the age of 60, obstructing police by way of serious assault, and willful damage of police property. His lawyer, Bria Callahan, told the court that Sampson, one of 9 siblings, had a troubled upbringing after the death of his mother from leukemia during his teenage years. She said he had struggled with education and mental health, and was now engaging with spiritual books, cards, and gym while on remand. A diagnosis of ADHD was made in custody, and there are suspicions of schizophrenia, though not formally diagnosed. Magistrate Steve Wettenhall described the assault as terrifying for the elderly victim, and stated it was likely something she would never forget. Tyrone Kuwaiti Sampson was sentenced to 10 months imprisonment, cumulative on his existing sentence, with immediate parole eligibility. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and check out our Patreon channel for more.